Hi, welcome to Wholeheartedly for the Lord Bible Journaling with Sherry. Today's process video is going to be a quick one. It's in my faith planner. This is the week of Christmas, so you know everything is hustle and bustle and just spending time with family, as I've said before in a previous video. So I know this week I'm not going to be writing in my faith planner. I wanted to use a Bible kit in my planner just to set it off for the week. I am going to write one reflection or notation about the love of Christ and God sending his only begotten son for the purpose of saving man and restoring the relationship back between God and man. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to ink up some background, and I'm going to use a Praise and Pray Bible kit, and that'll be it. I wanted to wish you again a Merry Christmas and a very blessed and happy New Year, and let's do this thing with Christ. Let's walk with him. Let's walk in his word. Let's obey him, get closer to him, because the time is coming where Jesus is soon to return, and everything is showing, according to the scriptures, what is happening with man and life and the world, and we know that he is soon to come. So let's focus our attention and our minds and hearts on Christ and obey and live for him. Thank you for watching, and remember, if I can Bible journal, so can you, and I hope you will join me in the upcoming year, 2020. Lord, spare our lives. Here is an insert from a Christmas card that I received. I decided to just cut it out and use this as part of a tip-in for my faith planner. As I'm reflecting doing this page, I came across this: "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." That is just something that my husband and I always say pertaining to our household, and I thought it would just be great to put in the center of this faith planner, just again as kind of like a display of my faith for the week, focusing on Christ and the fact that our family, my nuclear family, has just decided that we are going to serve Christ and him alone. I came across another Christmas card that I thought was really cute, so I wanted to put it in my gratitude Bible. It's going to be a very simple entry, but I just love the card, the black and the white and the red, and it just says that love is the greatest gift, and it made me think of the same scripture in John 3:16, "For God so loved the world." Here's the thing, I made a mistake. As you can see, I'm putting on the washi tape, but I realized that the scripture is on the other page. I was going based on the left side of the page, and it wasn't on that side, so I just swiped it out and decided to just plop it on the correct page. And again, I'll write a reflective thought on the back of this card, and I just wanted to just jazz it up a little bit, just as a reminder of love being the greatest gift, one of God loving us so much, and I love him because he first loved me, and now I can love other people. And what better gift can you give someone else, to give someone other than the love of Christ? Stamping didn't go so well, so I decided to just take my Pitt Artist big brush pen and color the hearts in black. I added a prayer request card from Ally Scraps just to add a little bit of red on that side. I cut out some presents from a Christmas cardstock that I have. I found some stickers, just jazzing it up a little bit, and then I can just write my reflections on it. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a Merry Christmas.